Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix slow performance in Google Chrome step by step in 2026. If you've noticed Chrome lagging, freezing, or using too much memory, don't worry. There are multiple simple ways to speed it up and make it run smoothly again. Let's start with the basics. First, open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Now, clear your browsing data. Click on Clear Browsing Data, choose All Time, and make sure you select cached images, cookies, and site data. This removes old temporary files that slow down Chrome. Next, check your extensions. Click the three dots again, go to More Tools, and select Extensions. Disable or remove any extensions you don't use regularly. Too many extensions running in the background can significantly reduce performance. Now, let's manage tabs efficiently. If you have many tabs open at once, Chrome can become slow. Close unnecessary tabs or use tab management extensions to group or suspend inactive tabs. This saves memory and improves speed. Another tip is to update Chrome. Click the three dots, go to Help, and select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. Running the latest version ensures better performance and security. Next, disable hardware acceleration if it's causing problems. Go to Settings. Greater than System and toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Restart Chrome to apply the change. Now, reset Chrome settings if issues persist. Go to Settings Greater than Reset and Clean Up, then click Restore Settings to their original defaults. This removes any misconfigured settings without deleting bookmarks or passwords. Finally, check for malware. Chrome has a built-in cleanup tool in the same menu under Cleanup Computer. Run it to remove harmful software that might be slowing down your browser. After completing all these steps, Chrome should run faster, smoother, and more efficiently. And that's how you fix slow performance in Google Chrome step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, give the video a like, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.